Welcome back, guys. Starting off the video like this. So this is a long time wig. I've had this wig for a while from RPGHair, of course. This is the big density water wave Brazilian virgin hair pre-plucked 360 lace wig. All right. So as you can see, it looked like it done for, right? I know. So basically, I'm just gonna start reviving this hair. Of course, as I said before, it's a water wave hair, and my sister been experimenting. She's trying to find the birthday look because her birthday is gonna be in a few weeks. So she's trying to get lit. She's trying to get all dolled up and stuff. So she's experimenting the look that she probably go for. So she wanted to try this wig out. Yes, so as I said before, I'm just reviving this hair. I absolutely love it. Trust me, when you have these curly wigs, you might think they're done for, but trust me, just get some mist or water or conditioner water and just wash them really good and just define those curls, especially with a paddle brush like this one. I received this from RPG as well, by the way. And just take your time and detangle, and trust me, this did not have much tangles, and look at it. It looks like it's brand new. It looks like it's brand new. Like, it's amazing. It's soft. It's silky. It's beautiful. The curls, the waves are popping. I love it. Love, love, love it. And yeah, just do that and you'll be surprised at how wonderful your wig still looks. So yeah, after doing that, I pretty much just proceeded to applying it to her hair, and I use my Got2b freezing spray. I've been using this way more since lately than the gel. I still do use the gel here and there, but not a lot, but because the spray is so much quicker, so I really love that. So I pretty much just start applying this and securing it to her head, as I said before, and just ensuring that everything is secured. And basically, I just did a little light swoop in the end when I removed the scarf, but you'll see that. And I just pretty much went ahead and applied some more mist to the hair and continue just defining. I love using this brush because it gets the waves very, very defined. So a brush like this is just very essential, in my opinion, when trying to revive your curls. I pretty much just start off with the brows as usual. You guys know the order. If you need a detailed brow tutorial, one is always linked below in my description box. And I pretty much just moved on to priming and then foundation, and took my time and blended that out. So we got a very even base. I used a flat top brush for this as well, and then I moved on to highlighting. Took my damp beauty sponge, tap that in, just took my time, don't rush, because you want everything to look seamless, no harsh lines at all. And pretty much I just highlighted all the areas on the face I want to bring forward. You guys know the drill already. You should know this like the back of your hand, trust. You should. And then I moved on to contouring some with a cream foundation. And I took my time and just went into all those areas I really want to low light, because the purpose of this is to give the face definition and just help to give that lift and make everything look more chiseled. We always want that super snatched look, so you need to contour to achieve that. All right, so after applying all this liquid and creams, you want to set it, and that's exactly what I moved on to doing, setting the highlighted areas first. And then I moved on to some contouring. I set the contour as well, because as I said before, you're setting all the creams slash liquids that you applied. Then I moved on into some baking, just to catch any eyeshadow fallouts and also to further just set those areas. And I did some reverse contouring, which is beneath the jawline contour. And as soon as I applied that, I brushed it away because I didn't want that cast to be there. So yeah, I moved on to my Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette. I took this beautiful purple into the transition area. I wanted to do a full-on purple smoky eye today. I don't know why, I just felt that way. And as I said, she wanted to experiment with looks. And then I took another shade of purple on the lid, and I just pretty much just took my time, blended everything, fused it together, went ahead and lined the eye. I gave her a pretty dramatic wing today. this was just a very bold eye look. Not one that should usually do on a daily basis. So yeah, and as you guys see, you don't have to always do a smoky eye with black. A smoky eye can be achieved with any color. Okay, all right. So I then moved on to spraying the face and just pressing that in, making everything look more like skin, and then illuminate. After doing that, I pretty much just moved on to the final portion, which is lips, which was a very neutral lip. A neutral lip is just always my favorite, just because you never know what you might end up doing with the eye, and I might be bold, and so a neutral lip is just always safe. I love it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this look, guys. As you can see, I did a swoop with the hair. I love this wig, guys. Love it. As I said before, all the specifics on this wig will be in the description box. All right, and yes, guys, the RPGHair Black Friday sale is still going on. It ends on November 30th. Make use of this sale, guys. You get 30% off everything on the site, plus you get more dollars off when you use my discount codes SU15 and Petite-10. So my direct page link is the first one in the description box. Go ahead, click it. Check out this or any other wig on the site right now, especially since it's vacation season. I feel like curly and wavy wigs are definitely a go. I feel like it's way more convenient. So go ahead, check it out, treat yourself, support your girl. I really appreciate it. Yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. And listen, the next video is about to be lit, so you need to stay tuned for that. Vlogmas is about to begin in a couple days, so stay tuned. All right, guys, bye.